Hi guys, welcome to another Web3 talk. Are you a developer or a founder in Web3 space and you're looking to take your project you are building, that project you are working on, and you're looking to take it to the next level? Having the right set of technology is crucial for you to be able to achieve this your set target. So that is why I'm introducing a RPC provider, a decentralized RPC provider, which is known as Pocket Network. So Pocket Network is a decentralized RPC provider. So Pocket Network is a decentralized RPC provider that ensure your interaction with the blockchain is smooth while giving you speed, guaranteed uptime, so your application will not experience anything like outage, unlike some centralized RPC provider that has history of going out of service for a short period of time. But with Pocket Network, your application will never experience anything like outage. Speed is guaranteed, but while giving you all this value at a very cheap cost. So that is the advantage of using Pocket Network in your application. So today's article, I'll basically walk us through how to add or integrate Pocket Network into our smart contracts when we are building with others. Basically, today I will walk us through how to add the Pocket Network to our application while building with others, and we'll be deploying our Solidity smart contract to the Polygon mobile testnet. So first, before we proceed, it is important for us to create an account. So it is important for us to create our Pocket Network account before we will be able to have access to the service. So let's navigate to the portal. So we navigate to the portal, which is portal.pocket.network. Then click on login. Let's create our account. So let's navigate to the Pocket Network page. Then let's click on the sign up button. So we're creating a Bona account here. So let me input my email. Let me get one of. So making use of this email generator to generate a test or fake email just for us to create a Bona account that is an easily disposable account. So now let's copy the email. Let me paste it. Then copy, paste the email address, then password, then test 1 2 3 by the password. So what's the next process? Continue. If you have a GitHub account, you can actually sign in with your GitHub. So I've successfully been able to create my account. Okay, I need to verify that I'm the owner of the email. So confirm email address. Okay, I've been able to confirm my email address. So now it's time for me to log into the account. Okay, so now this is the dashboard for the Pocket Network portal. So on this portal, it is where we are going to create our RPC endpoints that enable us to interact with various blockchain. Now for this tutorial, we'll be setting up an RPC endpoint for Polygon mobile testnet to enable us send transaction to the Polygon testnet. So now let's begin. So for you to create your RPC endpoint, you click on create on new application button. So then you choose what payment option are you going for. Is it pay as you go or always free? So for our demo tutorial, we'll be using the always free, and your always free plan is actually limited. That is, you can make 250k release per day. So now let's add the name of the application. Let's call it test case, then click on create. So okay, so now we've been able to create our application, and to interact with the Ethereum mainnet, this is our RPC endpoint. But in our case, we want to interact with the Polygon mobile testnet. So you search for the blockchain that Pocket Network supports. So since they support the Polygon mobile testnet, so we've been able to generate our RPC endpoint. Then let's go back to our Solidity file. Let's add the Pocket Network RPC endpoint to our environmental variable. Then mobile, it has been automatically loaded. So the next process is for us to add our private key and the chain ID in which we want to deploy smart contract to. But before we do that, we need to add mobile testnet to our wallet. So to add mobile testnet to our wallet, you search for Polygon mobile testnet, Polygon mobile testnet. Then actually I've installed MetaMask. So it's showing toolbar. So to make the icon come up. So let's navigate to the mobile testnet platform. Then at the bottom of the page, there's a button there that says add mobile network. So it's automatically enable us add the mobile network to our MetaMask. Okay, to approve switch network. So now we've been able to automatically add the mobile network, the Polygon mobile network to our MetaMask. So the next step is for us to get a test token. So because since we are deploying our application to the blockchain, we need to pay gas fee. So let's go search for a Polygon mobile by faucet, Polygon faucet. So paste my address, submit, confirm. Okay, let's check my wallet. Okay, it's not available yet. Since it will take 1 to 2 minutes for it to arrive in my wallet. Okay. While waiting for the token to arrive, let's do some other setup that needs to be done. So the next process is for us to get my private key. So to get my private key, click on this icon. Okay, our token is now available now. Then the next process is for me to get my account details, get my private key, then input my password so I can have access to my private key. Okay, this is my private key, copy, then head to my environmental variable, update my private key, so mobile my private key, something like that. Okay, then the next step is for me to import the private key into add as config file. So account, then so process .env .env.mobile. So the next step is the chain ID. So the chain ID, we can click on this or just click on settings to get the chain ID. So network, mobile. So now this is basically the chain ID we are dealing with. Then copy it over, then chain ID. So then copy the chain ID. So now we've been able to get the required parameter that is needed for us to be able to deploy our smart contract to the blockchain using the Pocket Network RPC endpoint. So now our RPC URL is available. Our we've gotten our private key and we've gotten our chain ID. Then what do we need again? Let's check. Okay, let's head to our MetaMask to ensure that we have enough test token to pay for our gas fee. Now we have enough gas fee to pay for the transaction we're about to create. So the next step is to hit the command to enable us deploy our code through the Polygon mobile testnet. So to do that, you can add that. So we are basically making use of add that to write our smart contract. So you can add that on script.deploy script.deploy.ts. Then our network is Mumbai. So let's deploy now. Let's wait for it to deploy. Okay, deploying. Now contract deployed successfully. Can you see? So this is the address in which it is deployed to. So now let's head over to mobile explorer so we can check the smart contract. Can you see our MetaMask have been deducted to? Can you see now our MetaMask have been deducted? That is the gas fee have been deducted from our wallet. Then let's head over to the Polygon mobile explorer. Just like we have fake blockchain for testnet like Sepolia, for Ethereum testnet, we also have blockchain like Polygon. The test blockchain is the mobile testnet. So now let's head over to mobile testnet, Polygon Explorer. So we need to view the contract. So let's check it out now. Can you see? So this is the contract that we deployed. It was deployed 1 minute ago. Contract creation. Now, for this case now, we've not verified the smart contract, but that is not actually what we are looking at today. We just want to look at how to integrate Pocket Network into our blockchain. So basically, we've seen how easy it is for us to add Pocket Network to our smart contract application. So now, if you want to benefit from the opportunity that comes with using Pocket Network, so it is the process of adding Pocket Network to your smart contract is a very simple process. It is not a complicated process at all. And once you have a technology like Pocket Network that is handling your RPC endpoint, then you should know that your application will never experience anything like outage. The speed is guaranteed at the same time while getting this at a very cheap cost, which at the same time reduce the cost of running your application. So we've gotten to the end. Have a wonderful day.